Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope your babies are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we'll see in this video marvelous and stylish. You will see unique girls nail art with fingering designs. Latest and stylish, you will see unique modern nail art, nail coloring and unique nail polish ideas in 2023. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. You will see in this video unique girls nail art and nail cutting designs. So do you have new ideas of unique nail art ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring you all modern and attractive girls nail cutting designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. There's a huge variety of designs in this video, so this video is very helpful for you and very useful for you. I have uploaded new all unique and stylish different girls nail art ideas. I have uploaded minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, negative space nail art, summer seasons nail art, winter seasons nail art, and you will see unique attractive unique girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. You will see in these videos new all modern and stylish girls nail cutting designs, plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very stylish nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys. You will see unique nail art ideas. So I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. I love you.